Bless everyone. Welcome to small demonstration from SMTVS our multi-vendor store to give people more information of what will be going on when you sign up for a store. So I'm an artist. My name is Igwe Nexus, and I'm also like administrator. So I just started at the build up page as another user using my artist name for this gears for artists and to go through the thing. So when I signed up to SMTVS as a new member, it carried me to the community. And from there, I decided, oh, I wanted a store. So, wow, even me, the real administrator, I had a one time I went over there, I'm like, I do everything. And what kept throwing me off was the um, the code to activate everything. There's no way I'm knowing that I didn't directly signed up through the multi-vendor and got a code, you know, like that, and was in my email, and I could have just used that code when I'm going to re-sign up in the store. That's so if you sign up using multi-vendor farm to go into the community, you can do that and issue a code. When you come back, it might don't show you that you have a store, but you still back the registration form and grab that code and put it into the code spot in the page and let it run and makes your page. It brings you to configuring the store. So when I started configuring the store today, just like WordPress is always giving you a bunch of problems, a bunch of errors. So I start seeing the cart is being called before the header and a lot of stuff. So I wanted to fix it, but I decided wait a while to fixing it, right? Like that. Because I'm going to have to be joining in Microsoft browser while I'm in Google inside of the code to kind of try to fix stuff on fly. But it doesn't stop you, even though you're seeing a bunch of gibberish above the farms, them, right? You can still sign up by following everything and still follow the whole thing. Your name of your store, your social community, all that other stuff, right? Okay, cool. So making a thing like sharp and not a long talk. So we have a store here, and before I decided to actively put a product in the store, I decided to wait and then said, okay, now I'm going to do that right now in the camera so everyone can see how the thing really go. So we go up here and we look at the page and we examine and everything and we see product and it said add a product right here. So you as a vendor need to still go to your store and add things that your store may need, right? This is a fresh store. I may have an image in there I can use, so I have no image because this is a fresh folder. So now I'm gonna grab one of my local song then what I've been so let's go put this one in there right now. So you guys see the way we choose an image. My computer is sort of running real slow on the slow base right now. Got a lot of stuff in there. Plus the main drive went down and I need to pull the computer down and try to find out and rehook up that drive and reinstall it. That's a terabyte there giving me problems. So we'll jab it through the music, find the music now. Oh, we'll find the music. Now so we'll do all of that. So let's go to our library. And see what we got here. didn't store it here. Must have stored it someplace else, down here someplace. See, I work all day, a bunch of songs always in my folder. So have you guys run into the folder with me too, huh? Try to look for one song. Yeah. It's up above. I think it's up above. It should be. Something I move these songs around, so but it's here. Let's go down to right here. See, this is the computer moves so fast. Computer moves so fast sometimes that, you know what I mean? It's like, wow. You know what I mean? Like that. So this is how actually you, so this track, the part of this track that I'm putting in is not something where, so when we sell trap, we sell HD audio, right? A more higher quality audio to the users. And these audio are not heard by the person that comes. So that's why people should wonder, why do we actually just have the song there and you can hear the older song? Because the quality that we are selling you, it's a more higher and better sounding quality than the quality that you're hearing on reproduction for preview. So we generally give you the preview version of the song, right? And then sell you the real thing, right? And so you sort of have to indent that into the song. All right, so you select up that, all right? Did I do right? Okay. We'll say one, and we'll, I think I did that, and we'll go back up here, and we'll simply do this, and I like to do a lot of that stuff. I like to do a lot of just, if it's there, why write it again? I do that, you know, a lot of times. And I have to go write something that's already written. Why write something that's already written? You can do some stuff like this, right? That's a good thing when you got stuff all over the place. Okay, where we at now? We at working area, right here, and we'll drop a short description, and we can use the short description also for description, just for doing what we are doing right now. Okay, we also decided that we want to put a media inside there so people can actually listen to the media. Right? Okay. So we'll go back and we'll look for a version of the media that we can listen to. Right? So and we had a version here. MP3 version. Right? Cool. So it's a good idea if you stick around and watch the multi-vendor, or we put songs inside of SMTVS multi-vendor store, being that you are the user and you are putting in a song. You can check the song. After filling, if the artist name doesn't come up, you put it there. If it's an album, you make states an album. If you have a little caption there, you can also do that. Will come up in the audio portion of your file. Okay. You will choose a single, and we'll go and we'll click on having a tag. See the song just dropped right there, and it's roots reggae. Like, okay, cool, we get roots reggae, and we drop that. And it's got a trap on it too, you know. It's a roots reggae trap. Okay, so it's my store, so I can say, okay, I like that. I'm just gonna like put this in my store for, because I want it in my store, right? So I should be able to see this product that I just put into my store, right? So we are fine tuning the multi-vendor over here for the artists that who gonna feel like they want to come and really take a look, and we can view what we just did. So there are ways for me to get around the stuff. I can just simply let the artists write me with their information coming to me, and once the information comes to me, then I do that. Now, notice one thing. I'm gonna show you. So when product comes up, it's product. It's not your store. It's actual product. It's called in the product, and it lists here. You see. So in the big store, when it comes to your product, it's gonna have this little thing right here. That's showing that is your store. All right. Okay. Now, if you go to your store, which is your store, so remember, products are still displayed in product that comes up into the big store. And okay, you see the way I have. Okay, I'm gonna do this page so this doesn't come up, just this come up, right? There go your product. All right. So if you now click on your product, you need to make the page look a bit more better down. See it? That's okay. I think because I'm inside, you get it in the main store page. Right? And I think for some reason if I go to the first back to the store, it maybe show us that something new is there. Is it? It just showed us that this product was added to the store. So when we talk about community store, community, we are not trying to charge you or said pay us an extra money so you can be up into the main store. No. We are actually empowering artists and musicians to know when it comes up in our main store. And we are a co-op type of community. We are working with each other. The store is working with the artists are working with the store. Just like now, I have my pages, right? And my page is there. And I can go now to the main store and take all my songs that's there and add them to my page. Cool, you guys? So we're not gonna make the thing too long, but just to show you a brief stuff of what's going on with SMTVS and how we are trying to refine the site to make people come in, not people, but artists and musicians, and even people who have different things to come in and they want to sell something on the store. You know, that's how it really works. I'm still working on the registration of the store, like I say, because it seems like I'm having a problem on the page. That's not stopping the configuration of your store, but just have a bunch of error computer stuff written above each form, right? Okay. And it's associated with the shopping cart calling before the header file. Or the header file should be calling before the shopping cart. So stuff like that we gotta figure out. But thanks if you're viewing the video on YouTube, on Facebook, and how we are refining the multi-vendor store here at smtvs.com. And you guys don't forget to go over, whether you're log in or log out, right? You see what I'm saying? You can click the button and you can go over to SMTVS Music, community music page, and this is like a chart, and you can share your favorite artists to your favorite community, or you can send them a love or a like. You know, when you come to the store and you're already a vendor, because you are a registered vendor, this will pop up for you. If you're not a vendor, this won't come up, right? You got your wish list, your card, and you got, of course, your vendor form. And of course, this is your activation. It's there. You click activation to activate, to activate things. So you don't leave the activation because if you join the site with like the vendor site, it's gonna send you the activation. When you join that way, just go ahead and get your code and put it in and it's start doing everything for you. But if it doesn't happen while you're inside, you need to go back to the farm, grab that code, put it in the spot, and put back your information. You're cool, you're good to go. Thanks for viewing SMTVS.